on him. There he goes, there he goes. And we have here, we're going to cut through here, just like this, because that's our thigh meat, and this then pulls the back out. So now you have the thighs just snapped out. There he is, right there. Okay, just remember your knives are sharp, okay? Sharp knives cut people. All right, and you have to have them sharp to do the job. So then I'm just gonna pull my knife right along this, and there comes the back. This is the back of the chicken. And I like to save these backs in the freezer to make broth with, because pretty soon we're going to get through with summer, go to fall, and I'm going to start making lots of soups. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. Okay, we're going to make soups. So now what I'm going to do is take this chicken, and I want to cut this chicken up because I want to cook him cut up today. And so I'm going to take this big knife and get it out of my way for a minute. And then what I'm going to do is use the smaller knife I have here, flip him around like this, and let's just get the leg off here. I don't really care whether the skin stays or not. Here we have skin. What we'll do is turn him this way. This is the leg. We have a little meat over here. I think he's fine. I do want to cut this chicken up. So if you look here, there's a little piece of fat, and if you put your knife right here, right there, just like that, you'll see how it goes right through the joint. Okay, so we're going to go right through the joint, and then I have a leg and a thigh, and I have some meat here. We'll just cut that and save that with that so I can make broth later on. And then over here I have a wing, which we can just come in here with our knife and come right here, and what we'll do is just come around and then just cut our wing right through the joint and cut him right out. And I'm going to take this little wing tip off and cut the wing into two pieces there, right down the middle, and we go right through our bone, right there, our little joint, right?